Back in Damascus here to check out a commercial rental space. See on the inside. 11515A. Good office setup in here. Reception, desks, storage closet, another office space, more office space, all kinds of networking cables that are probably out of date. And let's head into the shop. On the other side, kitchenette, some more storage, a half bath here, a full bath in here, big stand-up shower, and the HVAC closet. Now in the shop, tons of storage. Door back out to the street. Great area for unloading. You can't really get a vehicle in here, but a skid loader for sure. Or at least back your truck up to unload everything. Storage area with a big garage door. Let's go take a look at the lot outside. Back in the lot, got a huge lot, gated. Tons and tons of space back here. Those two fuel tanks are also included. They will need to be cleaned and certified before used. Just wrapped up that meeting, checking out that space. Now we're going to go back and hit the computer to see what we can truly get for this place. As it sits right now, I'm thinking probably 18 to 2,000. But if they go in and clean it up, because it is really dated, they could probably push 25 to 3. So let's hit the computer, see what we got. See you soon.